Well, hey there, fellers. I got me a new rod in reel combo, courtesy of the bait station in Cape Coral. Well, Fort Myers, Florida, I guess we could say. I paid about $218 total for the whole kit and caboodle. What is this rod, you might be asking? Well, you sure already know based on the title, but I'll tell you anyways in case you can't read. It is the Penn Battle III LE, which the reel is the Penn Battle III 4000 LE. It is equipped with Green Moss Power Pro 30-pound braid on this. It is a 7-foot medium fast one-piece rod, and I bought this because of the fact that if you go back to one of my videos, last time I was out fishing, my favorite pole, which is a Penn Fierce 3 4000 series or model rod and reel combo, went off the pier. And that, my friends, is a hilarious video to go watch if you want to see a funny video. The pole you don't see go flying off, but the guy in the background, though, he is hilarious. So if you're needing some cheering up, go watch that YouTube video. It's a one heck of a funny video to watch. Just make sure your volume's turned up a little bit, because my loud yapping, you can't really hear the guy, but it makes for some good content. So we're going to try to use this pole today, hopefully. Today is like Thursday, January 7th, I think. And I'm going to take this out and I'm going to try to catch some bait tonight. We're trying to fish Fort Myers Beach. I don't know how well things are going to work out there due to red tide and all that. And hoping we'll catch something and get some action with this rod and reel combo. But that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I mean, it's unfortunately the only thing I could find that I thought would be close enough to my Penn Fierce. And I kind of like the Penn reels and rod combos. Of course, if I had more money, I would go with something a little bit more pricier, but unfortunately, I don't have that type of budget right now until I build up a better audience and all that good stuff. But until then, I will be using the low-end stuff for now, because, car payments, paying rent, paying car insurance, and all that stuff, and going fishing. And anyways, though, I will hopefully get some video out of me using this rod. I don't know how well it's going to work. It's going to be dark soon, so we'll see how things go. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Hopefully you'll see a video of me catching something with this new fancy dancy combo by Penn. That is it. Have any questions for me? You can leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys maybe in the next video.